So, Puti, how is Tatay Digong? Dahil uhaw na uhaw ang buong Pilipinas sa balita.
So actually today it was a slightly more emotional visit because he just realized that the aging is getting to him. He was looking at his hands and then he realized, oh, it's getting skinnier, it's ano. But he's still, in high spirits as always. He has this certain persona that he keeps up, diba? So he's okay. But, ayun, parang he has his realizations about aging, about ganun. And mostly, we just talked about family. He checked up on my little sister, yung maliit, si Mira. And then, kamusta? Naghingi siya ng reports. Sabi ko, she's in school, she's doing fine, and magaling nga sumagot. And then, he said, pagpasensyahan mo yan, pagtiisan mo yan, kasi mahal yan sa'yo. So, I did say naman, yeah, that I am, very patient with her. And I understand that it's all part of growing up. And when he was giving his lectures about growing up in general, and ayun, kinamusta niya yung siblings ko, and I said all of them are doing well.